We about to start Kiana's and Disha's birthday weekend. And scene. Kiana's
Hello guys, happy Friday. It is currently July 29th and I am on my way to pick up my friend Diksha because we are going to run some errands before, why did I put on my seatbelt? Before the weekend, because it is everyone's favorite fucking weekend. It is my birthday weekend. Also haven't driven in a while. The back is so messy, so sorry if you could see that. Am I recording? I also like fucked up my camera a little bit. Also have to stop at the mailbox because I have a package in the mail from 437. I made it to Diksha's house, so let me tell her that I'm here. While I'm waiting, this weekend is my birthday weekend. My birthday is on Sunday, July 31st. This year, me and my friend Diksha decided to combine our birthdays and celebrate on one weekend because we can't just celebrate in the middle of the week anymore since we have jobs. So we're celebrating this weekend. We are basically going to run some errands. I have like a whole list. I also wanted to shoot, because I'm a fucking Leo, I wanted to shoot my birthday photos today so I didn't have to do it on my actual birthday. I'm sorry.
It probably seemed like I was so impatient. Hold on, wait. Did you get my message?
Yeah.
Can we wait 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Not even, probably less.
Do you want me to give you a haul?
Yeah.
My brain is like not working. Also, did absolutely nothing today. What the fuck?
I have to finish. I'm such a chaotic person. I'm just sit down. I'm just gonna sit down with my tea. I was drinking it, and then normally if I don't finish anything when someone comes to pick me up, I just leave it. But I'm like, we're gonna be sitting here, I might as well finish it.
You wanna say hi to my vlog?
Yeah. Oh wait, let me fix my hair. Did this capture my whole chaos? Yeah. I brought my mug. No, I'm here for the whole.
You don't have to be British, but
I'm British.
I ordered swimsuits. Or just one, actually. Because
where's it from?
437.
I have no idea what that is.
But they had some like anniversary sale because it's like their 5th anniversary and they're giving away a free bottom.
Oh my god, nice. Tell me why my bikini bottom, I got it tailored because
you got your bikini bottom tailored?
Yeah, because let me tell you, I got it from Shein, you know.
Oh,
like back when I got my pool. Okay. I bought like 10, not 10. I was about to like tens of thousands, but I was like, no, let's not be that dramatic. I got like 10 bikinis because it was so cheap. But obviously, you're paying for what you get. Like it felt cheap when you're wearing it. But I didn't want to buy more bikinis because I'm like, I have 10 that I barely wore. I only wear it in my backyard, never anywhere else. But yeah, so the bottom was loose, so I had to like tailor it. And even then, it's not the best. So my bikini might be a little wonky this Sunday, but you know what?
Was it a set? Like it came together?
Yeah, it came in a set. That's why. I know.
I hate that.
Sorry, not all of us are proportionate people.
Okay, this is the top. It looks like nothing because it's like one of those ones you wrap.
Ooh, that's pretty. Love it. It's giving sexy.
It smells weird. It smells
oh
like...
yeah, alcohol.
Yeah.
Like not like alcohol, but like rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, and then these are my free bottoms.
Love it. We love good deals. Yeah. So cute. Love it. So let me tell you, I know it's really hot outside.
Yeah.
This is the life of an Indian family. A hot drink in hot ass weather.
Oh yeah, I do that too, but only in the morning. If it's like the night.
That's what my parents said. I had lemon water this morning and when I left they made a smoothie and they're like, we were missing our tea.
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I am waiting for my friends to pick me up so that we can get this weekend started. So yesterday we went to the LCBO, the dollar store, for chinos. I obviously did my hair because I don't have like naturally curly hair. We're also staying in a hotel. We are staying at, I think it's called the King Blue Hotel. It's on King West in Toronto. Toronto today is absolutely insane. There's OVO Fest, there's Veld, there's Carabana, there's the Jays game today. Today we are going to Pizza Wine Disco, and then I also made another reservation for Daisy. It's gonna be a fun weekend. I'm gonna make sure it's a fun weekend. So welcome to my 22nd birthday weekend. I can't even do like a time lapse because we're not moving. They got my dresses away from me.
We're gonna start a room tour, everybody. Here, I'm gonna put the camera here.
Oh wait, you want me to?
No, don't worry, don't worry.
Okay, I'll just
Yeah.
Were they not?
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, no, it's not showing my face.
This is the wrong way. I'm supposed to be outside, and I'm supposed to knock, and you're supposed to open. Ready?
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my crib. Okay, so you can come in. We're gonna show you guys the tour. You already know. So this is the room, bro. So we got some wallpaper up there. Yeah, really nice. We got a closet in here. Dang!
Oh! Wow!
See this part.
Yo, we got it. Oh!
I called one. Me and you get a rose. Yes! Oh my god!
Pulling on now.
No, I want to put mine on right now. It's giving expensive. Can you please hold this way? I'm freaking crying.
Yo, I love this shit.
Hold on. Sorry.
Yo,
Ashley.
I love it.
Can you tell we're not bougie? When we see robes at hotels, we get excited.
Oh, hey, it's giving Sex in the City.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Nice. Very nice.
Wait, the bathroom.
Amazing.
All right, back to the
Oh wait, what's
tour. Here.
We get slippers. Oh no.
I fucking love this place.
Oh,
Sorry,
you
Ashley.
don't have to mind.
Ashley,
So sorry, Ashley.
Ashley, if you're watching this, girl, we are sorry. All right, continuing.
Oh yes.
Here we go.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. All right. So as you saw, we're definitely not bougie. Why am I only talking this around you? We're not bougie, so we see.
Oh, here's a full body mirror.
Period. All right, now we're gonna go into the washroom.
Yes.
Let's go. So this washroom cost me about like I think maybe $1,000.
Oh, okay.
To $9,000.
Oh, okay.
So shower, of course.
Right.
We got the sink and the mirror with some lights.
Hey
And the best part, the toilet,
Yep.
which you poop and pee in.
Right.
Yes, and sometimes you puke. All right. Now we're gonna continue.
A mini bar with a microwave and a fridge.
Yep. And we got the fridge right here.
That'll be soon.
The fridge full of alcohol and cake. Okay, here she
Now we're
goes.
gonna continue with the room, brother. So we got the beautiful. Is this a master or king?
I think
it's a king.
I think that's a king.
Bed. That's a nice bed. And we got a couch there, and of course the TV.
There's Kiana. Wait. Birthday girl.
Last but not least, the TV.
TV.
because We all obviously need some electronics in our place.
And then amazing couch. We're in a chic.
Is sleeping currently. I was
Sleeping.
napping. I was napping, and then Kiana ruined it.
And the amazing view.
Of
Let me
the
show you
building.
guys. I don't think you can. Oh, it's not focusing. Let me just.
Je suis très fatiguée.
So, Kiana, how do you like the hotel room?
Room is nice. I'm gonna sleep in this.
I might have to take this robe.
Take it.
You can take it.
And I think you get charged.
Oh, damn.
I think.
Wow. Aesthetic. Actually, we got Kiana. Wow.
Hello, we are at something wine disco. We're at Pizza Wine Disco. I am fucked. I will talk when I have food in my system. She gets hungry as fuck. How about you, Kenya? How are you?
I feel good. I know I'm gonna have to babysit a couple people for the rest of the night.
You're babysitting me.
Yeah, Kiana. I'm gonna have to babysit her tonight, but it's okay. We gonna have fun.
Yeah.
Celebrate her birthday. Okay, 22. We're so excited.
And then we're gonna cuddle.
Bye. I think Tisha should take 2. Me? Oh, damn. Okay, ready?